The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue a special military operation. In the Donetsk direction, the active operations of the Yug group of forces, as well as the attacks by aviation and artillery, have resulted in the neutralization of up to 275 Ukrainian servicemen, 2 tanks, 2 armored fighting vehicles, 2 pickup trucks, 1 Uragan MLRS, 1 D-20 howitzer, 1 Gvozdyga self-propelled howitzer, and 1 US-made M109 Paladin self-propelled artillery system. In the South Donetsk and Zaporozhye directions, operational tactical aviation and the artillery of the Vostok group of forces have launched a complex fire attack against the units of the armed forces of Ukraine near Ugledar and Pavlovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Novodanilovka and Sherbaki in Zaporozhye region. The enemy losses were up to 60 Ukrainian servicemen, 4 tanks, 1 armored vehicle, 1 D-20 howitzer and 1 US-made M777 artillery system, 402 airplanes, 221 helicopters, 3,434 unmanned aerial vehicles, 414 air defense missile systems, 8,316 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 1,062 combat vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,372 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 8,959 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Great signal, and what can I say, not the first signal all your country, for all the signals of your country, of your society, of the government, president, from the first days of full-scale war, and even from the first days of Russian invasion in 2014, you always showed that you are with us, supporting our sovereignty, our people, our society, our territorial integrity. So what can I say? You are very well.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.